Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here with an unboxing video. I'm going to make this quick. I'm really excited about this box, but I've been in bed sick all day. And I just want to get this filmed really quick so that I can share it and enjoy it, and yeah. So, if you've been following me for any length of time, you know that I did used to use a Plum Paper planner. And in my quest for happiness in my planning life, I have tried many planners. I've tried the Erin Condren, I've tried a Hobonichi, I've tried a Jubun Techo, I've tried a bullet journal, tried the Passion Planner, I've tried a Happy Planner, and nothing seems to, like, I don't know, speak to me, I guess. But I've been watching videos lately and I fell down the YouTube rabbit hole and realized that one of my happiest and most productive times planning was when I was using a Plum Paper. So, yeah. We're going to open the box. And I'm going to show you what I got. So it comes in this nice brown box. I ordered it on March 2nd. It shipped on March 4th, and it is March 6th, and it is here. So that is crazy. It is bubble wrapped very nicely. And there are a couple of things in here. Been a long time since I've ordered from Plum Paper, so some things have changed. You have their standard cover material card, which I will show you. It says that it is water resistant, tear proof, and rigid and sturdy. It's a sample. Try me. I've done this before. It just bends. I'm not going to try it again. They sent me some stickers, which are really cute. Very, very cute. And then a little card that tells you how to get your product for free. Step 1 is to follow them on Instagram. 2 is to post a picture with certain hashtags. 3 is the first of each month we'll pick a winner, and 4 is the winner will receive a refund for the cost of the product posted. And then on the back it tells you all about their planners, how it has a strong coil, quality paper, durable cover, pocket folder, mylar tabs, and you can get it in any start month, which I've always enjoyed about this planner. So let's go into the main event. They do offer 3 sizes now. Back when I used this planner, they only offered 2. They offer a 8.5 by 11, an A5, and the 7 by 9, which is what I got. And the 7 by 9 is most comparable to, like, your Erin Condren planner. And I did that because I still have a crap ton of Erin Condren covers that I would like to use, even though this cover is beautiful. Yeah. So, you have this nice thick plastic coating, and then their cover material. The pattern that I got was the Teal Raindrop. And I got my channel name, my Instagram name put on it. These are not removable, but you can snip them and make them removable, and I will probably do that so that when I archive this, when it's done, I can just put this cover back on it. Then on the inside you have your gray pattern. Your cover page, and the paper is as nice as I remember it to be. I did go ahead and get the neutral color scheme because that is what I've been digging lately, and that was one of the things last time I had a Plum Paper I wasn't wild about, was the colors. It's not that the colors are in your face. It's just that some months I didn't feel those colors, and like my birthday month is like a salmon color because my birthday's in May. And I just really didn't like it. So now I can make it whatever color I want. You have your 2019 calendar and a 2020 calendar because I started this for April of 2019 and it runs through March of 2020. I love that they've streamlined the fonts. It's very, very pretty. Let me zoom you out a little bit so that you can see this better. All right. Yeah, so you have a special dates section. Each month has its own column. Then this spread is ideas, plans, and goals, which is awesome. And then you have a blank notes page and you get right into the planner. It's like a purpley blue gray undertone. It has the month written out instead of the big circle with the initial of the month. The standard monthly highlight page with the 3 goals, birthdays, events, things to remember, and 2 columns that you can make your own. I recommend either using a ballpoint pen or a permanent pen, like my Pilot Ultrafine Permanent would work well on this and not smear. I remember trying gel pen on this and it smeared like crazy, so that was no bueno. Then you have a page for the month followed by the monthly spread, and it gives you US holidays. Very simple spread. You have a sidebar over here, your calendar, and then the following month. Very simple. I went with my tried and true favorite layout, which is the vertical line columns. But since the last time that I've had this planner, you can now customize all of these sections if you want to. I customize them as to do, dinner, because I'll put my meals over here, and then health. I can either track what I'm eating, what kind of exercise I'm doing, that kind of thing, and then I have the day to plan. If you've been watching any of my plan with me's lately, you'll notice that my planning style has become rather simplified, and I like to bullet journal plan a lot. And you'll have to pardon noise as my kids are coming in and my dogs are going nuts. So yeah, this will work perfectly. You also have the option to add on tab sections and dispersed pages. I did a bill tracker every month because I currently have a separate planner right now that I'm using just for my bills, and I would like to streamline the process. And I always loved this page. So yeah, I have the My Bills section. I'm not going to flip through all the months because there have been a million videos on this. And yeah, but I will show you the add-on sections that I did get. I did get a fitness section. I've had this before, but it has changed. And I really liked the look of it. It allows you to track vitamins, sleep, steps, exercise, water, set goals, motivations, measurements, rate your month, all that other stuff. Really cool. I added on a reflection section because I really enjoyed that aspect of my passion planner. And
I'm sorry.
Yes, you can hear my kids. They just got home from school. Hi. Like the worst time to film this video. I enjoy the monthly reflections, but I'm not into the serious questions, I guess. So this breaks it down in a different way, and each month gets, a page, which is really cool. And then you have a yearly reflection, which is also really cool. Then I got a checklist section added because, yeah, I make lots of lists all the time. And I thought, why not? So I got that added. And the last section that I added was a dotted note section because I do enjoy like bullet journaling stuff. Like I make the year in pixels and, you know, I like doing those kind of creative spreads. And it's easier to do when you have dot grid. So I did get a section of dot grid pages. And then what comes at the end standard in these planners, let me flip to the end here, you get like a page and a half of dot grid, my passwords page, my contacts page, and then we have US holidays for 2019, 20, and 21. And then I have a 2021 calendar, as well as the double-sided pocket folder. And I did add 2 of these like protective sheet covers because why not? It was something new that I had never tried before and I was interested in trying it and seeing how I liked it. So yeah, this bad boy is pretty hefty. And then you have the back cover and the back clear cover. So she's pretty thick. You can see she's pretty thick, but I'm excited about it. I'm excited to be going back to a coil system. I love this product for the cost. The base price of this, I believe, is $32 for a 12-month. With all the extras I added on and my customizations, I believe after shipping it was like $67. So it was a little pricey, but I made it the way that I wanted it, and I put in the things that I knew that I needed and knew that I wanted. So it's exactly the way I want it, and as always, the coil is sturdy. I'm not sad that it's not a colored coil like an Erin Condren because I've not had great experiences with those coils, so, and it's not worth the extra $10. To me, I would rather spend an extra $10 on add-ons that I want instead of something else. So yeah, this is my Plum Paper planner. It's going to start in April, and I just wanted to quickly share it with you guys. I cannot wait to dive into it. And yeah, give me a thumbs up if you like this kind of content on my channel. Subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, guys, happy planning.